In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Notion in 2025, offering you a seamless way to view your project management tasks within Notion. To start this straightforward process, you'll first want to open Asana and navigate to the project you are interested in linking to Notion. Once you have your project in view, look for the Share button. This button is the key to initiating the connection. Go ahead and click on Share, which will then reveal an option to copy the project link. Ensure you copy this link accurately, as it acts as the bridge between Asana and Notion. Next, it's time to switch over to Notion. Head to the specific page where you'd like your Asana project to appear. It might be helpful to choose a page that logically fits within your organizational structure, like a dashboard or a team overview page, so the integration adds to your productivity flow. Now, paste the Asana project link that you copied earlier right onto the page. Upon pasting, you'll be prompted with an option labeled Create Embed. Click on this, and like magic, your Asana project will become visible within Notion. While setting this up, it's important to note that this method allows for a view-only embed. This means that though you can observe your tasks and project details directly in Notion, you won't be able to update tasks from within Notion itself. Think of it as having a window into Asana while remaining in the Notion workspace. This setup is tremendously beneficial if you want to keep track of your tasks without constantly shifting between different platforms, helping you maintain your focus and streamline your workflow. Remember, the successful integration is all about making your tools work for you. By embedding Asana in Notion, you're effectively creating a central hub, making your information accessible without unnecessary clicks and browser tabs. Although the direct interaction with tasks isn't available in this embedded view, the clarity and oversight you gain can still be a game changer. I recommend taking a few moments to organize your Notion page further after embedding, adding any notes or ancillary information that might support your project management efforts. Embracing this synergy between Asana and Notion is sure to enhance your productivity, as both tools now operate more cohesively. Explore the possibilities of this integration by considering how this view can correlate with other elements in your Notion setup, perhaps linking it with related databases or notes. Keep maximizing the potential of your digital workspace and enjoy the newfound efficiency this connection brings to your daily